Hey, what's going on, y'all? I hope you're having a wonderful day. We have Hurricane Florence that is set to be here in, what did I say, 3 hours?
I'm pretty sure.
Something like that. Anyway, it's gonna make landfall, but we have time to get out here and fish. We have a safe place to stay. It's not too far away from this lake that we're gonna fish. So hopefully we can get some fishing in and catch something, right?
Yep.
Catch some fish, and then we'll get back to our safe place. And I'm not gonna be able to edit this today, so. But anyway, let's get out here and get after it. Alright, y'all. We're gonna throw what we've been throwing lately for summer fishing. Oh, the water's not too bad. It's not as low as I thought it was gonna be. Go on this side, guys. Go over here. See them popping right there? You're trying to catch bluegill and stuff and brim. They're right there, they're popping. Bluegill, brim or bluegill, sunfish, any kind of sunfish. Anyway, we're using that trick worm on an EWG hook like we've been using for most of the most of the summer here. What the heck is that? That was a big bass. Yeah. Here, you want to hold my pole? No, don't pull it up there.
Oh, by the way, your worm was flying.
Yeah, I saw that.
Whoa! How many pounds?
He's probably, I don't know, we'll weigh him. I think I got my scale in here.
Hey, with them?
Yeah, hold on. Get a weight on it. I don't think my scale is in here. Oh well. He's about 6. He might be a little over 6. There you go. Hurricane bass. I don't have my phone. I can't take a picture. Well, here. Alright. Look at that big bass. Beautiful. Alright. There goes. Oh my god, I didn't know what that was at first. I wasn't expecting to
That was a carp.
I wasn't expecting. I did too. I was like, did I have a huge grass carp hit this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Let's see if you one for you.
That's awesome. Alright, y'all. So what I was doing was, there's a little bit deeper spot right here, and then the weeds come right here, and then there's a trough, and that thing hit right. I pulled it through that deeper spot, and then that thing hit right. I mean, it hit like right. It's kind of hard with the wind. It hit like right there. I mean, it wasn't far out at all. Let's see if there's another one. Well, the bees are out. I said the honeybees are out. That's a good sign. Yeah, I think that was I believe that was a bluegill if you want to try out there. I think that's what it was. think it was a bluegill, and I think he grabbed the tail of my worm. Well, something attacked it. As something attacked it. Yeah, something. Something like something that ate half of my worm. Yeah, it's pretty much pointless now, huh?
Whoa, it's not a worm.
Here, come down here. Oh, it's another good one. It's about 2.5. Huh? I wouldn't lip him right now. He's still pretty mean.
Look, he's slimy.
Yeah.
Ow! He pricked me.
It's feisty. Gosh. That's,
Pricked me pretty
he
good.
is. It's hooked pretty good too. You don't want to lip him?
Sure. As long as he doesn't bite me.
Yeah, let me. Look at that healthy little bass. Squeeze.
Got him.
What's that? You gotta hold it up like this.
Got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
I'm not like that.
Go ahead. Yay!
There you go.
He's a healthy one.
Put him back in. The gator's still at the other end there? Yeah, I got you.
He gave me that finger and he also cut my finger.
Do you remember what you said?
What?
What you catch one on this cast?
Yeah.
Called that one, didn't you?
Yeah.
If I say come here, just put your pole down and then come over here, okay? Here, Ez, come here.
Yay!
Here.
Oh, yay. You can fight now.
Here, get it here. Go.
There goes another Cinco.
It wasn't a Senko, buddy. I've been using those Zoom trick worms.
Does he have a spiky lip? I don't want to be cut open again.
I'll put him back for you.
He's pretty fat.
Yep. Always remember to fat shame your fish. Let me put him back in the water for a second. So I can see oxygen to him.
To him, that's like air.
In the world.
Get it out yet?
Does it look like I got it out yet, buddy?
It's like barely in there. Finally!
See, it's ripped him a little bit, but he'll be alright. Here, let me have my pole.
Trade these rod for fish.
down here.
I was hoping I didn't fall in the water.
You get 2 fingers on?
Yeah,
Got
probably.
it? Alright, let's get a release on.
It's right on the flash.
There he goes. Alright, buddy.
Jump back up.
Here. Got it.
Hey, we got 3. High five.
Alright. A fishy high five. Alright, y'all. We are done for the day. The wind is getting too ridiculous. You can't even cast the lure. Well, you can, but
It's hard.
it is hard. But anyway, we're done. Yeah, so we came out. We were thinking we were going to catch a few fish, but we were not expecting to catch that big 6-pounder. That was a very, very nice surprise, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And anyway, we had a lot of fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so I didn't want to speak for both of us if we didn't both have fun, but I figured you did. But anyway, we had a lot of fun, and we got to catch some fish. We got to catch a big old bass, and we're going to go home and ride the hurricane out, and hopefully everything turns out just fine. I'm sure it will. But I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure that you
Like
comment. I know you have one.
and subscribe.
And subscribe. I have him trained pretty well, don't I? Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. What did we say?
See ya.
Take care.